Hey, this is Miss Carla Moore, coming to you from the Millionaire Mind Empire. And I am inside of my all-in-one marketing system. It is called Power Lead System. And I am just about to send out a letter to my list. And what I'm about to do is design a campaign to go out. So I'll just show you how simple and easy it is to email your entire list of people in your list building system all at once. Okay, you just want to go to email, and then you're going to go to add a campaign. Okay, and I'm going to entitle this one, Are You Hustling? Okay, you just click this create this campaign, and then I would like to create my own campaign. Okay, and I want to add a new email to this campaign. Okay, and the message is still the same. Are you hustling? Okay, add this email. And then I have to go in and view and edit the content area of the email. Okay. And I pretty much already have my email on my clipboard, so I wouldn't have to type it for the sake of this video. Okay. And there is the context of my email. And I just need to go in and edit a few things. And I am going to change the address of the video. And I'm just going to go over to Facebook and grab a video that I done today. And I'm going to talk to my audience through email. Okay, powerful move that you can do to engage with your list in the background and build a relationship for them to get to know you. And if they want to contact you, they can definitely reach out to you based on what you sent them. Perhaps they liked it. They want to contact you. So I'm just going to go and get the timestamp off of this video, and I'm going to put it in the contents of my email. I just copy and paste it in the URL, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Just copy and paste it right there, so my video, they can get and I want to change this, and I just want to go over and get the address. And I'm going to go back over here and paste it. And I'm going to put it again right there. Okay. And that's about it. You just click up here, save changes. Okay. Now you want to go and send that letter. So now you want to send the campaign. And so this is where all my campaigns are. And there is my one, Are You Hustling message. you can choose to include yourself in the email so that you can see how it looked. And I'm just going to go down and click all the groups that I want to send this particular letter to. Okay? Very simple, you guys. The system is very simple to manipulate. And it really doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's just small, consistent daily actions that we should take to build relationships with our list, okay? This is actually how you build a relationship with your cold market. You first turn them into your warm market, and the way you do that is you interact with them and build a relationship through email. A lot of people don't believe, they don't think they need a list building system, but email is still king. That's why when we're at the grocery store in the line and we make our payment, or we sign up for one of those discount cards, they always want our email so that they can build a relationship with us through emails for future offers, sales, family and friend day, whatever it is that they want to message us about. And so I sent it to all my newest contacts and choose the date. I'm just going to hit that, and then it shows you all the people and all the lists that this letter is going out to. Okay, and I just want to choose one more step. I want to change the autoresponder domain, and I want to change it to the program or capture page that I inserted inside of the letter. Okay, and so here I just want to go and choose a template. I'm going to just choose something simple. And I'm going to choose this one, Things Getting Tight, We Can Help, because the program offering that I sent them inside of the email is only a $7 program. So it is a way for a person that's on a tight budget to start making some money immediately. They only have to invest $7. So that's why I chose that template. And I am all ready to send my letter out to my list, and I'm going to choose it for the current time. I'm sending it right now, and you just have to agree to the policy, and you just hit send emails. It tells you how many, and success. It's just telling you that your email campaign went out. So guys, pretty simple. I hope this helps someone who's trying to use the Power Lead system, or someone that is contemplating getting the Power Lead system, how easy and simple it is to manipulate. Alright guys, to the next video. This is Carla Moore coming to you from the Millionaire Mind Empire. Have a blessed evening. Bye.